Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best gear you didn't know you needed. Today, we're talking about the best humidor bags for cigars, the ZrCoin Cigar Humidor Bags, and why they deserve a place in every cigar enthusiast's travel kit. Right out of the gate, what makes these bags stand out is their combination of portability, durability, and humidity retention, all packed into a stylish, minimal black finish. The ZrCoin set includes 10 individual Ziploc humidor bags, each sized at 10 inches by 5.3 inches. That's large enough to comfortably fit multiple cigars per bag, whether you're heading out for the weekend or prepping for a long business trip. Let's talk design. These bags are built with multi-layer composite materials that create a secure, airtight environment. That means once your cigars are inside and sealed, you don't need to worry about the outside elements. Humidity stays in, air contaminants stay out. The Ziploc seal is strong, resealable, and easy to use, making it a reliable system for daily use or extended storage. Now, a lot of cigar aficionados invest in full-blown desktop humidors, which are great. But when you're on the move, lugging around a wooden box just isn't practical. That's where these ZrCoin bags shine. They're discreet, reusable, and ultra-lightweight, easily fitting in your backpack, carry-on, or even a coat pocket. Inside, each bag has a dedicated space for humidity control packs, such as Boveda, which you can easily insert to maintain your ideal humidity level. ZrCoin doesn't include those packs in the package, which gives you the flexibility to use your preferred brand or level, whether that's 58% or 69%, depending on your cigar type and taste. What really adds to their appeal is the value. You're getting 10 reusable bags in one purchase. That's not only economical, but it's perfect for organizing your collection. You can separate flavored cigars, daily smokes, and your special occasion sticks, each with its own controlled microclimate. Just wipe them down if needed, make sure the seal is clean, and rotate your humidity packs occasionally. The materials used in the bag are tough enough for repeat use but soft enough to avoid damaging delicate cigar wrappers. Another great use case is sharing. If you like gifting cigars to friends or customers, these bags make your gesture look far more premium. Instead of handing over a dry stick in a crinkly plastic sleeve, you're delivering it in a sealed humidor-grade bag. It adds that extra touch of class. In summary, the ZrCoin Cigar Humidor bags are a small investment with a big return. They combine form, function, and flexibility in a way that few accessories in the cigar world can match. For the modern cigar smoker who's always on the go, this isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this helped you discover your next must-have cigar accessory, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.